Performance Air VAV thermal square diffusers are an energy-free solution to individual comfort control. No wiring, pneumatic piping, or added system pressure is required. Performance Air VAV diffusers provide superior throw, creating excellent room air entrainment. The cone-shaped diffusion damper in the diffuser greatly enhances Coanda effect, which increases the discharge velocity of the supply airstream as it passes along the sealing surface. This creates a low-pressure area beneath the diffuser. Maintaining the discharge velocity as the supply air volume is reduced provides a maximum Coanda effect and eliminates the possible effect of vertical drop of the colder and heavier supply air. Room air is induced over the thermal actuators by a simple yet highly effective induction wing. A small amount of supply air passes through a louver in the diffusion damper. This air is diverted off of the induction wing back into the supply air path. This creates just enough negative pressure to cause the induction of a continuous sample of room air to be drawn through the opening on the induction trough located at the leading edge of the face panel. The Performance Air SCAH model provides VAV cooling and adjustable heating. The SCAH is for heating and cooling application areas, such as rooms with heavy office equipment, where cooling loads always exist but supply air at times may be heated. The SCAH is ideal for these applications because when supply air is warm, the diffuser will close to desired opening and will not open regardless of room temperature when heating.
In the cooling mode, cool air enters the diffuser. A small amount of supply air passes through a nozzle in the diffusion damper and is diverted back into the primary air path. This creates just enough negative pressure to induce a constant sample of room air across the thermal actuators. Cool air continues to flow into the diffuser. The actuator senses the warm room air and opens the damper to allow cool air into the room. As the room air cools and approaches the temperature set point, the actuator will begin to close the damper. In the heating mode, warm air enters the diffuser. Damper will open fully to heat the space. As the room warms, the damper begins to close until it reaches the manufacturer's minimum flow setting. Full open and full close setting are adjustable by the occupant.
Performance Air VAV thermal diffusers are an energy-free solution to individual comfort control. For more information or to place an order, please visit www.performanceair.com or call 727-431-6197.